Today we are looking at the Skyline 2000 GT, the first Skyline, Hakosuka 4-door 2000 GT, GC10 for the 1968.7 through 1972.9 model year kit from Aoshima. 124 scale curbside kit. So this was reissued in 2002. The tooling initially was released in 1981, and over the course of basically the last 41 years, it's been reissued in multiple dozens of times in different versions and configurations and what have you. Unfortunately, you cannot build the box art because it does not include the stock wheels and tires. Big disappointment for me. That is why I got it. And it is today's What's in the Box. Getting started with the body. And now getting started with the chassis. As you can see, some details molded to the underside. And that is also a motorized chassis. Now we're going to take a look at one of the main parts trees that has a little bit of everything: interior pieces, chassis pieces, the door panels, interior door panels, rear package shelf tray, drive shaft, tie rod, grill insert piece, vent and little console piece over there on the right, dash face, front, the rear suspension subframe, the wipers. Here we have part of the front suspension, a center console, a set of pedals, steering wheel, steering column, more suspension pieces. Up here we have the front spindles, and the exhaust pipe. And now moving on to the next parts tree, which has some exterior pieces as well as some interior pieces. Here we have a custom front grille headlight piece as well as the taillight panel. We have a piece that was used for the motorized bits. Down here we have the front seats, two pieces, as well as another dash front, as well as the dash top. Here you have another center console with the stock front and rear taillight headlight panels. Moving on to the next parts tree, which has a random assortment of parts. Start down here with the rear seat and the battery box. If you were to build this as a motorized kit, it's like 2 AA batteries. Here in the middle row you have some headrests, speakers, looks like different radio choices, radio deck choices, some tow hooks, middle console, 2 steering wheel choices, another set of wipers, some other bits. Here, race seat, mirrors, more bits for the motorized stuff. Turning our attention now to the roundy rounds. So you got skinny out front, wide out back, or wide out back, normal width out front. As well as a baggie that contains some springs, a metal axle rods, and a pair of screws. Now we're going to take a look at the chrome parts, satin chrome and chrome parts. First, the wheels. This is what you get for the wheels. Wide out back, skinny up front. Not skinny, but normal size, and a set of mirrors. Side view mirrors there in the middle. Chrome parts for the front and rear bumpers. door handles, rearview mirror. Now we're going to take a look at the clear parts tree. So you have the main window unit, the headlight and taillight pieces, all the different options. Square. You have a couple tail lights, secondary tail lights, headlight option. And now taking a look at the decal sheet. As you can see, it's pretty basic. You have some stripe options for the body, license plates. And take a look at a photo etch set that is included as well. Kind of hard to see it, the light glare, so you get a couple, with some badging, scripting. Close the GT plates. So that is going to do it for this look at the 2000 GT Skyline Hakosuka 4-door GC10 kit from Aoshima. So on that note, thanks for watching.